Welcome all of you. Hope you are doing well. Today we have this radical problem. Root of 7 to the power root of 24 minus root of x is equal to 49. We have to find the value of x in this question. In the very first step, we are going to rewrite root of 7 and 49 into exponent form. So we can write root of 7 as 7 to the power 1 over 2 whole power as it is, and 49 as 7 to the power 2. We know that if bases are same and equal, they will be cancelled out. We are left with exponents only. Is equal to 2. We will take this 1 over 2 to the right hand side. So 24 minus root of x whole root is equal to, it will be multiplied on the other side. 2 times 2, 24 minus root of x whole root is equal to 4. Now we are going to take square of this equation on both sides. So taking square of this and this, root and square will be cancelled out. We are left with 24 minus root of x is equal to 4 times 4 is 16. We will solve the rest part here. In the next step, we will subtract 16 on both sides. 16 minus 16. Here 16 and 16 will be cancelled out, and here we got 8 minus root of x is equal to 0. In the next step, we are going to add root of x minus root of x plus root of x, and on right hand side 0 plus root of x. This plus and minus root of x will be cancelled out. We are left with 8 is equal to root of x. As we got the value of root of x, but we have to find the value of x. So taking square on both sides. Here square and root will be cancelled out. We are left with x is equal to 8 times 8 is 64. X is equal to 64 is the required answer. I hope all the steps are clear. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.